problem. It's because your father was not conscious.
Yeah.
If he was, you would want justice to him.
Now, some people, Fatima, have been shouting for death penalties. Can you understand that, or do you support that in any way?
I mean, no, I didn't. Really. I don't know what the court says about what they have done. I cannot judge anything. I am one person who's independent, like my father. He was independent and does not want to do to somebody that has to be done to you. So I don't know what the court says about what they have done. What I want is for the court to do duly what it has to do. Death penalty, I don't know. They have to be sentenced to death, I don't know. Sentenced for life, I don't know. But let them just pay. And if they are given what they like, maybe if they deserve more and they are given less, we will protest and come back to court for them to take what they deserve. So I will not judge what they have to have or what this, I don't know. I'm not a judge, I'm not a lawyer. So what they deserve is what we expect them to have. So I cannot say death penalty or anything. I don't know. So, thank you.
Do something about this.
No, but I think they're doing something already, so that's fine. That's fine with it. I mean, sometimes I feel furious because every time it says it's adjourned or something, and sometimes I feel maybe the state is not taking up what it has to do to make sure that there is proper evidence brought to court. Because what the other lawyers, the defense lawyers are saying is that every time they come to court, the state does not bring like a sufficient evidence or whatever for them to proceed, and that is disheartening. We want to see justice as quick as possible, but like the judge said, justice rushed is justice denied too. So we accept and let them, because it is difficult for every evidence that they need in my father's case, because he was exhumed, as we all know. So those DNA tests have to take place, and Gambia does not have the capacity, so it has to go overseas for all that to happen. So we, as understanding as we are, understand that there is a lot that needs to be done and needs to be taken. So we are a little patient, but we plead to the government, to the state, to make sure that they do everything, and we appreciate what they're doing, but to do more and everything they have to do to make sure they bring valid things in court, so that these people would just pay and it will be as fast as possible. Because I believe there are many cases that have to come up, so they shouldn't be wasting time, even though it should take its pace.
I understand that the defense lawyers need time to explain.
Yeah, actually I understand it, because if it was my case and I was given something to take a plea, maybe my lawyer knows more than I know. So it's just fair enough for them to grant them time so they can talk to their lawyers. I mean,